December 4th, 2025, around 3:44 p.m., officers assisted in an active pursuit on Interstate 530 northbound near the 7-mile marker. The suspect vehicle was traveling up to 125 miles per hour, driving recklessly and passing other motorists on the shoulder, creating a serious danger to the public. After waiting for a safe gap in traffic, the pursuing officer attempted a TVI, but the first attempt failed. While positioning for a second maneuver, the suspect tried to block the patrol unit, leading to contact with the rear bumper. The vehicle lost control, struck a bridge rail, then collided with the patrol car before both vehicles left the roadway and went down an embankment where the suspect vehicle hit a dirt pile and became disabled.
We don't need 15. Are you good? I'm fine. That's negative. I'm also for an accident.
Kind of had to ram the back of him.
What?
I wanted to take him out before we got up there to the interchange.
Oh, you just had to you went with him?
Well, no. I got a decent TVI on him at first.
Officers ordered the driver out, but when he ignored commands, they broke the driver's window and removed him from the vehicle, taking him into custody. The driver, Kyle Kinchin, faces numerous charges including felony fleeing, reckless driving, drug possession, resisting arrest, speeding, driving on a suspended license, and several traffic violations. The patrol unit also sustained mechanical and cosmetic damage during the incident.